Vivo has officially confirmed the launch of its next-generation flagship lineup, the Vivo X300 Ultra and Vivo X300 FE, in India on May 7. The X300 FE is teased to launch with a teleconverter, which is a first for the compact lineup. Vivo X300 FE will feature a horizontal camera module similar to the iPhone Air. Vivo X300 FE sport a 6.31-inch flat AMOLED display, with a 1.5K resolution, and an in-screen fingerprint sensor, and weighs 192 grams. The device features a triple rear camera system that includes a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 main camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens using the IMX882 sensor with 3x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel front-facing camera. The phone runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, paired with LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, offering configurations of 12GB RAM with up to 512GB storage. Run Android 16 with Origin OS 6. It also features a generously sized 6500 mAh CC battery with 90W wired and 40W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.